Okay, I forgot about the letter B here, so instead of adding 360 and then subtracting 360 to get our numbers, why don't we just subtract 360 and get, look at this, 95 minus 60, it's 35. But that's our positive angle. Even though we subtract the 360, we still got our positive angle. So we don't want to add and then subtract. If we just subtract, we still got a positive. Now we need another negative. So I'm just going to take this, what I have, and subtract 360 from this and get negative 325. There's my negative. So for basically coterminal language, you add 360 or subtract, or keep subtracting, or keep adding. If I give you a negative number, you'd have to keep adding 360 until you got a positive one. Right? So that's it for that one. Our example 3 is converting. Convert degrees and radians. There's two ways to measure angles. One, you know, mostly is degrees. The other way we call them radians. Kind of like degrees Celsius, degrees Fahrenheit. Some people I like Fahrenheit. Okay, some people like Celsius. Kind of the same idea here. Most of us like degrees, but it can also be measured in radians, but it's the same thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 125 degrees, we're going to convert it to radians, and then we're going to convert this many radians to degrees. So you have to know two little formulas, tiny. It's either going to be pi over 180 degrees, pi stands for pi radians over 180 degrees, or it's going to be 180 over pi. So you're going to use these two things to convert. This one you're going to use to convert degrees to radians. And this one you're going to convert to radians to degrees. Okay? So make sure you understand these two. All you're going to do is multiply. That's all you're going to do. So 125. Let's start even. All right. Let's do, what is 360 degrees as radians? All you have to do is take your degree and then times it by the conversion. It's either going to be this or it's going to be this. Now think about this. You want to get rid of degrees. So that's why I want degrees on the bottom, 180 degrees on the bottom. And I want radians up top, so pi radians. So that means pi radians, 180 degrees, or opposite. So 360 and 180, 360 over 1. Okay, so you got 2 over 1, so this becomes 2 times pi. So 360 degrees is the same as saying 2 pi radians. Okay, same thing, these two things right here. Okay, like 32 degrees Fahrenheit is 0 degrees Celsius, right? Same thing here. Okay, so next one. What if you want to convert radians to degrees? So you're always going to have pi when you have radians. So this one up here, let's do letter B. So all you have to do is take this conversion and multiply it to the convert, or the original. So negative pi over 12. So take the converter times the original, and look how pi will always cancel out. You're going to be left with just a number, which is degrees. So you just got to do 180 divided by 12 and get your answer to that, which is 15, negative 15, right? He's canceled, this negative still left over, so negative 180 over 12 is 15, negative 15 degrees. So those are the two methods you need to know. Either multiply by 180, pi over 180, or multiply by 180 over pi. Either one. You just have to remember which one to do. Alright, that's it.